Hello students, this is Sure Success Classes. In this session, we are going to solve questions which were asked in previous Olympiad exams. So let's start with first question. This question was asked in IMO 2020. So we'll read the question carefully. How many possible combinations of one boy and one girl can be formed from the given boys and girls? Options are available here and data is in this form, means the data given is number of boys and number of girls. If you observe here, one boy can form combination with any one of girl, means Sachin can form combination with Kanika or Gunjan or Kajal or Sonia or Mitu. In the same way, Amit can form combination with Kanika, Gunjan, Kajal, Sonia, Mitu. Means in simple manner we can say that one boy can form how many combinations? 5 combinations. And if we count boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 boys are there, means 4 boys can form how many combinations? Yes, here we have to simply multiply these two numbers. 5 4s are 20, means combinations formed by the given data will be 20. So correct option is D. We'll tick it out. Let's start our next question. First we will read the question carefully. And this question was asked in IMO 2021. Here question is, find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. And options are available here. If you observe this box, here we have to find out that rule. And if we go row wise, here we can get that 3 into 9. 9 3s are 27. And when we multiply this 27 by 3, at that time we will get this product as 81. Got this point? In next row, if we multiply 8 into 6, we will get 48. Again, if we multiply this 48 by 3, here we will get 144. In the same way, if we multiply 6 into 9, we will get, what do we get here? 54. And if we follow this rule to this row also, then here we will get, we will first multiply this number by 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 carry over, 3 5s are 15 and 1 16, means 162 must be available at this question mark, or question mark must be replaced by 162. So option C, 162 is correct option. We can tick it. Let's move to next question. First we will read the question carefully. And this question was asked in IMO 2020. Question is, who is in the southwest of Prachi? Options are A. Pooja, B. Shreya, C. Richa and D. Kirti. And the data given in this way. Here Prachi is present. Here we have to find out the girl who is present at southwest of Prachi. To solve this question, first we will revise about directions. We know there are four main directions. If we consider north at the top, then obviously north at the top, then this will be naturally south, and right to south, this will be east, and opposite to east there will be west. Means north, east, south, west, these are the main directions, and by using these main directions we can decide sub directions. How? See here, between north and east there will be northeast. Means this will be north east. Obviously between south and east it is southeast. How can we decide this direction? Yes, south west, and this will be north west. Got these directions? Yes. Here we have to find out who is in the southwest of Prachi. Without applying any logic we can find out this answer. Southwest means this direction. Who is there in the southwest? Yes, Shreya is there. Means Shreya is correct option. So B, Shreya, will tick it. Our next question was asked in IMO 2021, and the question is, which of the following figures will continue the given figure pattern? Here we have to find out figure at this place, and options are available here. If you look at the arrow, is it moving clockwise or anti-clockwise? With how much angle? Yes, it is moving anti-clockwise with 45 degree to its right. If you observe here, it is moving with 45 degree anti-clockwise to its right, means like this. And if you observe this dot, it is moving one place ahead in anti-clockwise directions. Here it is at corner, but in next figure it is at middle. In the same way, at the question mark, dot will appear one place ahead, and arrow will change its direction 45 degree anti-clockwise and one place ahead, means like this. Like this option available in the given options? Yes, option D is like this. So correct option is D. Our next question was asked in IMO 2020, and this question is in the pictorial form. First we will read the question. Find the value of one book plus one calendar if the value of 5 books is equal to 2700, and if we subtract value of calendar from value of one book, then we will get the answer 428, and options are available here. If you observe, this is the main part of the question. Value of 5 books is equal to 2700. By using this expression we can find out value of one book. It is equal to 2700 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25 to remain, 5 fours are 20 and 0. Means value of one book is equal to 540. If we put this value here, 540 minus calendar is equal to value of calendar 428. By this expression we will get the value of one calendar minus 428. Here we will get the answer 211. Means 112 is the value of one calendar, but we have to find out the addition of value of one book and value of one calendar. So we will add these two numbers. 5, 6 means 652 is our answer. So option A is correct option. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. Yet if you haven't subscribed our channel, we request you kindly subscribe our channel. It will motivate us to prepare next videos in a better manner. And if you have any query or suggestions, kindly mention in comment box.